Hello, my name is Jorge Real Tavares. I am from Chinchina Caldas. I am 25 years old. I am a policeman. I like to ride my bike, play soccer, and play video games. I live in Santander, Quilichao, Cauca, where I work in the National Police of Colombia as a patrolman. I study psychology at UNAD. These are my daily activities. I wake up at 5:30 a.m., take a shower and head ready to go to work. Then I have eggs, bread, cheese and chocolate for breakfast. Is my favorite breakfast. And I go to work on my motorcycle. I start work at 7 a.m. At 12:30 lunch, I really like roads back. I leave work at 5:30 p.m. and go home. I have dinner at 7 p.m. and then I study on my computer. When I have time, I go off for a bike ride. I watch movies, series, or novels. I go to sleep at 11 at night.